Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to claim artist profile on Apple Music. Alright, it's very easy guys. Now let's get started. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do this on your iPhone, though this can also be done on a desktop. Alright, so if you want to do this on your iPhone, it's very simple guys. Just head to your app store and look for this app, Apple Music for artists. Now once you look for this app, go ahead and install it. This first one, go ahead and install this app on your iPhone. All right, this app is actually 108 MB of size, which is not that much. So go ahead and install this app, and then open the app on your device. Now here's the app. Now if you open this app for the first time, you'll be asked to enter your Apple ID and password. So you need to make sure you have an Apple ID or password. All right, so you can just go ahead and create one, but I'm sure you have one, so just go ahead and enter your Apple ID right here, and also go ahead and enter your password. So I'm going to do that right away. So click on sign in to sign into your account. All right, so after signing in, right here you're going to find this option to request artist access. Now click on that at the bottom of your screen, and then if you notice right here, you'll be asked to enter your Apple Music profile name or your iTunes store link right here, or your Apple Music link right here. So go ahead and add it right here. So if you have uploaded music on Apple Music before, you should be able to find your name right here. So if you have used any music distribution service to upload your music on Apple Music, then you should be able to find your profile right here. So go ahead and search for your name exactly the same way it is on Apple Music or iTunes Store. I'll go ahead and type it right here, and then you're going to find your name right here. So go ahead and select your name, and then request to get access. All right, it's that simple guys. Though I don't have an artist profile on Apple Music because I'm not an artist, right? So I just want to show you guys how you can do this, right? And it's very simple to do, right? So guys, this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.